Upton, New York has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Queens County in southeastern New York, Kings County in southeastern New York, southwestern Nassau County in southeastern New York, until 7:45 p.m. At 6:58 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Rockaway Beach, moving northeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. This severe thunderstorm will be near Canarsie around 7:10 p.m. Howard Beach around 7:15 p.m. Atlantic Beach and Ozone Park around 7:20 p.m. Kennedy Airport and Woodmere around 7:25 p.m. Valley Stream and Jamaica around 7:30 p.m. Lynbrook and Elmont around 7:35 p.m. Baldwin and Little Neck around 7:40 p.m. Freeport and Garden City around 7:45 p.m. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.